Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn the whole command. In whole command there are different types: counter sankhor, counter board hole, etc. We will see that type one by one in this tutorial. First of all, we will see how to use whole command. Let's start the session. Okay, first of all, open the CATIA software and click on start button in menu bar. Select mechanical design, select part design and OK. Okay, now here select the YZ plane. Okay, and click on sketch command. Okay, now here we will create a closed profile. Okay, okay, now click on exit workbench command and give the thickness to this profile. Okay, reverse direction and enter the length of the pad. Okay, 70 or 50. Okay, and preview. Okay, now select the whole command. This is a whole command. Select whole command and I want the hole on this surface. Okay, that's why I am selecting this face. Okay, select, but I want this circle at here. Okay, now click on positioning sketch. Okay, now give the dimension to the point. Okay, now the total is okay. Now $25 enter. Okay, and this is 30. Okay, enter. Now we will click on exit workbench command. Okay, see, now the circle is at the center of this face. Okay, now here in extension there are different types. Okay, in type there are type of holes. Okay, and this is a thread definition. Okay, after selected the threaded, this is a all the dimensions are visible. Okay, now we will see one by one. Okay, now first is blind. Okay, in this, after every selecting the type of the hole, the preview at will see at here. Okay, in V type at bottom. Okay, here this is a V. Okay, or selecting flat, this is a flat. Okay, if you want to change the degree of angle of the V, then change from here. Okay, otherwise keep as it is. Okay, now first we will see blind, second is up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. Okay, we will see one by one. Now this is a depth of the hole. Okay, now I want 15 mm depth of the hole. Okay, enter 50 and preview. Okay, see here the depth of the hole is 15 and at bottom side the V shape. Okay, now preview. Okay, see, after clicking OK, it will look like this. Okay, now double click on this hole, and here the next is up to next. Okay, after selecting up to next, this command is take up to next up to this surface. Okay, now preview, see the hole. Now we will select up to last, then it will take whole the body of the part. Okay, up to last from here to here. Okay, now next is up to plane. We will select for this is a plane. Okay, see, we will select this plane. Okay, now here see the preview. Okay, depth is here enter the diameter of the hole and click preview. Okay, now we will select up to surface. Now I will select this surface. Okay, now the hole is created throughout the body. Okay, preview. Here the diameter of the hole is greater than main hole diameter, that's why it will not. Now see, okay, this is a thread diameter and this is a hole diameter. Always keep the whole thread diameter is greater than hole diameter. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Now see type of the hole. Okay, first one is simple. Okay, now I will select up to next and select type taper. Okay, now preview. Sorry, now we will see types of hole. Okay, now blind, depth 15 mm and diameter of the hole is 10 mm. Select a simple taper. Okay, now reduce the taper angle. I want to enter 45 preview. Okay, now this is a taper type hole. Okay, now we will see this is a taper type hole. Okay, now we'll see counter board. Okay, in this screen the counter board is see. Okay, this is a parameters of counter board, means upper side of the rectangle. Okay, this is a 5 mm depth and this is a 15 mm diameter in preview. Okay, now see, if you want to increase the diameter of the bore, then increase. Now the next type is counter sunk hole. Okay, select the countersunk. Here the parameters are mode, depth and angle of the taper. Okay, depth of the taper is here. This is the depth of taper. Okay, and here the different parameters, modes. If you selected depth and diameter, then here depth is this and diameter of upper side of the circle. Okay, and this is the diameter of the upper side of the face. Okay, we will enter 15. Okay, and preview. Now see, this is a countersunk board. Now we will increase and preview. Okay, now see, this is a countersunk board. Okay, now next is in type the counter drilled bore. Okay, here this is a counter drilled bore. Okay, this is the parameters of counter and the extension is here. Okay, now this is the diameter of upper side of hole, this is the depth of the bore, and this is the angle. Which angle? This angle. Okay, this taper. Now we'll selecting play preview. We will reduce, increase and preview. Okay, and see, this is the, now this is we will create throughout. Okay, fast. Okay, now see, this is the throughout counter trigger. Okay, and click OK. See how it's okay. We will click on this hole. This is a threaded. These threads are not show, but it will create it. Okay, now after selecting this is a, we will increase the and thread diameter and click OK. Now see, the threads are created, but it will not show. Okay, in CATIA. Okay, like this the whole command is used in CATIA. Okay, if any doubt, please comment on this video. I will make another video for understanding. Okay, thank you.